In this tutorial, we will learn how to accept user input in Python using the input function. To ask for user input, we need to type in our prompt inside the input function. For example, to ask for the user's name, we can use this. Once we run this code, the program will wait for the user to input their name. After the user enters their name and presses enter, the program will continue. We can assign the user's input to a variable so we can use it later in our code. In this case, we have assigned it to the variable name. We can use the user's input in other parts of our code. For example, we can print a message that includes the user's name using string concatenation. If we need to accept a number as input, we need to remember that the input function always returns a string. We cannot perform mathematical operations on a string, so we need to convert the string to a number using the int or float functions. If we need to display the value of the age variable later in our code, we need to convert it back to a string using the str function. For example, if the user enters a number that contains a decimal point, we need to use the float function instead of int to convert the input to a float. By using the input function, we can create more interactive programs that take user input and respond accordingly.